There we got the Milwaukee transfer pump. There's a filter, 1.25 inch adapter outlet. Attach a garden hose to it. Submersible, 4 feet. $1,000 gallons. $25 gallons per minute. This thing is a beast. How big this motherfucker is. Guessing that's the coupling. Couple these two together. Here's how to put it together. Put this together and show you how it works. Guessing these notches is for this. So there's notches here. Show these for where the notches are. This has a little rubber seal. Not sure why it doesn't have another cap here. Probably don't need it. Here's the battery compartment. Don't see a spot to put this anywhere. Probably don't need to. So near to here, 4 feet. This thing is humongous and it's heavy, so the battery be even heavier. Here's the difference between the 12 volt and the 18 volt. Let's see something. 12 volt can get submerged up to about 40, 39. And big boy here for 4 feet. We're gonna test it out on this big tub garbage can. How many gallons is this? 12 volt just has one water hose connection. What the You buy just as fast as the water's going in, ain't it? let's try this big. This is like a fire hydrant, bro. This is like a Johnny pump, bro. Look. See how long this takes to empty out. There it goes, reaching the end. Still got about 2 inches of water in here. Now let's see if the little one can grab it. Let's see if the 12. Yep. So the little one's better, bro. Wow. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Which one would you get? I would prefer that one. And how much is that one? The little one? And the big one? So, depending on the job you're gonna be doing, there's what to get.